Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile in first-person perspective, or FPP. This mode offers a truly immersive experience, placing you directly into the action through your character's eyes. Unlike third-person perspective, FPP gives you a more focused view, which means you'll need to adapt your strategies for movement and engagement. It's a fantastic way to challenge yourself and experience the game from a fresh viewpoint, making every gunfight feel incredibly intense and personal. Get ready to dive into a new level of realism. To enable first-person perspective, simply navigate to the game lobby and select the FPP option before you hit the start button for your match. You'll notice that some specific game modes are designed to be played exclusively in FPP, offering a consistent experience for all players. For other modes, you might even have the flexibility to switch between FPP and TPP during live gameplay, giving you tactical options on the fly. It's a straightforward process to get started with this exciting perspective. Mastering FPP gameplay involves a few key adjustments. With a more limited peripheral vision, utilizing cover becomes even more critical. Always be aware of your surroundings. Precision is paramount, so dedicate time to practicing your aiming and recoil control to land those crucial shots. Since you can't peek around corners without exposing yourself, relying on sound cues to pinpoint enemy locations is absolutely vital. Listening for footsteps and gunshots will give you a significant advantage in this immersive mode. Playing in first-person perspective comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. On the plus side, FPP significantly enhances the game's realism, making every gunfight feel incredibly intense and personal. However, it removes the tactical advantage of peeking around corners without exposing your character, demanding more strategic movement. Many players find FPP to be a more challenging experience, but this increased difficulty often leads to a much more rewarding sense of accomplishment when you secure that victory. It's a unique way to play.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.